Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra hit my table. There you go. If anybody was wondering, yes, unfortunately it was pre-opened a tiny bit. Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of it, but okay, whatever. It still technically counts as an unboxing. Well, I expected to fall. No. Let's see what the phone package thing has. Does it have anything cool stuff in it? SIM pin ejector like always, and a charging cable. Nothing cool. Sure. Go back. There you go. Don't care. And the phone itself. Literally, nothing else. Let's turn it on, I guess. Samsung Galaxy. Huh. No Samsung power by this. Okay. The reason why this is actually a bit more reflective than it's supposed to be, because it has a screen protector on top of it. Power by Android. That actually was quick. Low-key. One UI 7, I think this is on. Start ping. It feels such a nice phone. I really want this. Alright, it has a privacy screen protector. I hate those. And UK. Yes, agree. Next. Skip, manually skip Wi-Fi's. What? They don't let you to skip Wi-Fi anymore. Okay, fine. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi then. Oh, the haptics, that's so nice. Congratulate, connect. No signal. I don't like the fact that how the S Pen looks. Like the S Pen looks such a oddball in this case. Yes, sign into Wi-Fi. Continue. Next. Sub later. Set offline. Don't copy. Checking info. Really? Even the new tech causes me issues. Ah! Don't copy. No, fine. I guess I'm gonna connect. Try a different network. Fine. I connect to the IP IoT Wi-Fi legacy then. Okay, let's see. Don't copy. Lovely. Skip. Why are you trying to connect to Google services? I said to do offline. Bruh. Set up offline. Continue. Don't copy. Thank you. Skip. Yeah, whatever. I agree to whatever you want to agree. The dark mode. Wow, it's set up. Amazing. S25 Ultra. With no bloat, by the way. Some of you would say. Tells you how to use it. Amazing. Lovely. Full brightness because that's how I am rocking. Nice. No, always on display. Always on display. Full screen. And then goes like this. Nice. And then animate sort of. Does it react to your interaction? Oh yeah, it does interact, cool. How's the cameras on this? Ten-time optical, is it that bad? 10-time optical, is 10-time optical bad or good? I don't know if it's better than the 10-time optical zoom, but let me display. It's already adaptive. I want navigation bars, swipe gestures. Wow, doing a stupid. Wow, it works, amazing. Whatever, don't care. What an amazing phone, I would say. Is it for me? I don't see the point of me upgrading from the S23 Ultra. I'm waiting for the S26 Ultra to come out. But the colors, it looks beautiful though. The color looks beautiful, I love the color, and the camera rings actually look so good in person. But yeah. Yeah! S25 Ultra unboxing, that was quick, wasn't it?
Thanks for watching to the end. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe. Or you can scroll down for more information.